Alright mateys, are you ready to set sail on the high seas but are worried about the high prices? Don't walk the plank just yet, because in this video I will show you 10 different ways on how you can save some serious booty on your next cruise. Let's start with the first way to save some money on your next cruise, and that is booking early. It's like the early bird catching the worm, except in this case you're catching a sweet discount. Cruise lines often offer early booking promotions to encourage passengers to book their trips in advance. By booking early, you can save hundreds of dollars on your next cruise fares and have a better chance of securing the cabin and travel dates you actually want. Plus, booking early gives you more time to plan your trip and budget accordingly. You can also take advantage of the early bird promotions and spread out your payments over a longer period of time. That way you don't have to shell out a bunch of money all at once. Number 2, be flexible with your travel dates. While booking early can save you a lot of money, being flexible with your travel dates can also lead to some serious savings. Prices for cruise can vary depending on the time of year and the day of the week, so it's important to keep an open mind when planning your trip. For example, if you're willing to travel during the shoulder season, which is the time between peak and off-peak travel, you can often find cheaper prices. This is because there are fewer people traveling between these times, so the cruise lines can offer lower prices to fill up the ship. Number 3, consider a shorter cruise. If you're looking for ways to save some serious treasure on your next cruise, why not consider a shorter voyage? While longer cruises can be great for exploring a variety of destinations, they can also be more expensive. A shorter cruise, on the other hand, can offer just as much fun and adventure without breaking the bank. You can still visit some amazing destinations, enjoy all of the onboard activities, and indulge in delicious meals and drinks, all while saving some money. Plus, shorter cruises can be a great option for those first-time cruisers who want to dip their toes in the water before committing to a longer trip. You can get a taste of the cruising lifestyle without having to spend too much money or time. Number 4 is to book a guarantee cabin. When you book a guarantee cabin, you're essentially agreeing to let the cruise line choose your cabin for you. You still get to choose the type of cabin you want, such as inside, ocean view, or balcony, but the specific cabin number and location will be assigned to you at a later time. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to do that? Don't I want to choose my own cabin? But hear me out, hear me out. Booking a guaranteed cabin can actually be a smart way to save some serious treasure. When you book a specific cabin, you're actually paying for the privilege to choose exactly where you want your cabin to be on the ship. But if you're not picky about your cabin location and just want a place to rest your head at night, booking a guaranteed cabin can be a great way to save some serious coin. Number 5, avoid peak season. Peak season is the time of year when cruise lines tend to charge higher prices because more people are traveling. This usually includes holidays, school breaks, and the summer months. While these times might be convenient for many travelers, they can also be the most expensive time to cruise. Instead, consider going on a cruise during the off-season. This is the time of year when fewer people are traveling, so cruise lines tend to offer lower prices to attract more bookings. Not only can you save some serious coin, but you also may be able to enjoy a more relaxed and less crowded cruise experience. Number 6, take advantage of onboard activities. One of the best ways to save money on your next cruise is to take advantage of all the onboard activities and amenities. Many cruise lines offer a variety of shows, movies, and live performances that are included in the cost of your cruise. From Broadway show style productions to comedy acts and magic shows, there's something for everyone to enjoy. In addition to entertainment, cruise ships also offer a wide range of sports and fitness facilities. You can stay active and work up a sweat at the ship's gym or fitness center, play basketball or volleyball on the sports deck, or even hit the mini golf course. Number 7, book through a travel agent. Travel agents can be a great resource when it comes to finding the best deals and promotions on cruises. They often have access to exclusive offers and discounts that may not be available to the general public. And because they specialize in cruise travel, they can also help you navigate through the often complex world of pricing and packages to find you the best deal for your budget. Now, one of the biggest benefits of working with a travel agent is that they can provide you with valuable advice and guidance throughout the booking process. They can help you choose the right cruise line and itinerary, select the best cabins for your needs and budget, and even offer insider tips and recommendations on the best onboard activities and shore excursions. Number 8, use credit card rewards. Now, if you are a frequent cruiser or a regular credit card user, you may already have accumulated some significant amount of reward points or miles. Check with your credit card company to see if you can use any of those rewards to pay for all or part of your next cruise. Some credit card companies may even offer bonus rewards for cruise purchases purchases, so be sure to ask about any special promotions or offers. And don't forget to keep an eye out for credit card offers that can help you earn even more rewards for your cruise purchases. Number 9, avoid international data charges. One option is to use the ship's Wi-Fi. Most cruise ships offer Wi-Fi access for a small fee, which allows you to stay connected to the internet and use your smartphone or other devices. However, keep in mind that the ship's Wi-Fi can be slower and less reliable than what you're used to at home. So be patient and plan accordingly. Now, another option is to purchase a local SIM card. If you're visiting ports of call in different countries, you can purchase a local SIM card in each port to access internet at local rates. This can be a cost-effective option, but keep in mind it might not be practical if you're only in port for a short amount of time. And number 10 on my list is use onboard credit wisely. Consider using your onboard credit to pay for drinks or shore excursions. These can be costly expenses during your trip, and using your onboard credit to cover them can help you stay within your budget. You can also use your credit to upgrade your cabin to a better category such as a balcony or suite, which can provide you more comfort and luxury during your trip. Another option is to use your onboard credit to purchase souvenirs or other items on board the ship. But keep in mind that the prices on the ship can be higher than on shore, so be sure to compare prices before making a purchase. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other tips or tricks for cruisers, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and advice. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, do you want to know the top 10 things you should know before going on a cruise? Watch this video right here. I will see you there.